What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to take a little break from the Mark II. I did get the M Sport kit in. It's coming in another video if it's not out already, but bit off a little bit more than I can chew. I have storage for this car, off-site storage, but it has been sitting in the rain for the last 4 weeks or so. Today, though, we're gonna work on the rotary. We got Jake Fisher here. Say hi.
How you doing?
And I did add this splitter. It's a universal M Sport splitter, so I had to cut a little bit, and then I added these winglets on. I don't know if these are called winglets, but canards, whatever. I went ahead and added these Aerowolf pieces right here that I found in my toolbox, to my surprise. Forgot I had them. Today we will be installing a GT2 wing that I got from Japan. I paint matched it. I'll show you guys the brackets. It's gonna be a tricky one. With Jake here, we'll hopefully be able to get some fun roller activities. We got the e-bike. We're gonna try to get some cool shots in that regard. Here's the wing. Came out very dope. So I went ahead, we laid some vinyl. There's some silver accents here, that's really dope. But the carbon's exposed. My paint guys matched it perfect, which is always love. Makes things easy. But yeah, so here's the brackets, if you may. And we will mount these up here. And here's how accurate we have to be. So we cannot miss by even like 5 mil. As you can see, I am in my flame era. So we again laid some hand pinstriping down before paint. I feel like it's period correct, flames, 90s. Beauty of car styling is you can do it how you want. I think it's gonna look super dope. I am a little bit nervous about drilling, but we're gonna see what's good. We're gonna tape it up on the trunk lid. The idea with, this is the top side of the wing, so when the hatch flips up, we'll see the Veda Mob logo. Jake got the car taped up. What'd you do, Jake? 2 layers, huh?
Yes, sir. Extra protection. Yeah,
so I know one said it was like 12 mil off, and then I think up here it's gonna be like 26 mil off. So I wonder what the distance is. I'm sure the instructions say, but we'll put some Sharpie lines down here and measure. What do they say? Measure twice, cut once?
I don't know. I might measure this one 14 times. Yeah,
we're gonna do extra measurements. All right, we got the instructions that are in all Japanese. So we just go off pictures. There she is. Easy enough, right? What do you think, Jake? Easy?
We'll figure it out.
Do we leave this other winglet I have on there?
I think it'd look titties if you left it.
Just leave it for now. We can always take it off. Good old 3M. It's holding this one on. What we could do, yeah, is angle the carbon wing to match like the angle. Because we're not really going for function or downforce or anything.
You're not?
I mean, maybe. You think it'd make the burnouts better? All right, let's see. So, okay, 30 mil off. Is that, okay, it's got to be 30 mil off like here, the corner, I'm assuming. So, come 30 mil off this. I'll hold it, you measure. So I can blame you if it's wrong.
Whatever, you were going to anyways.
Right here, hold on.
$30 mil?
We're looking at the wing uprights and we're a little worried that they might actually hang over a little bit just based off the design. So this actually might need to come off, but we double checked our measurements, triple checked it, made some adjustments. So hopefully we hit the nail on the head, because if not, Jake, you're fired.
Ooh.
I don't know if I like it, bro. Nah, that shit's tight, bro. Yeah, so we're gonna have to pull this off, aren't we?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's gonna have to come off. So you see like this cutout right here is actually supposed to overhang a little bit. So
Over the tail lights, right?
yeah, it's gonna overhang over the tail lights. So we'll have to remove this. But dope to see. Looks fire. Match some of the other carbon accents on the car. We're gonna send it. We'll take this off. It's easy pull off, just 3M. Then we'll try again. So our markings are 133 millimeters. So just to double check it, show you guys this side. We made some center hole markings and then measured these. They're 133 as well, just to be safe. We'll mark this side, do the same, and then we should be ready to drill. Holes are done. Holes are done, looking good. I'm really happy with this one. We're gonna clean up the back side. How's that side look, Jake?
Great.
So we decided we're actually gonna take the wing off and mount these first, the risers. Is that right, Jake? Risers?
Yeah, make it a lot easier to handle instead of banging it off the trunk 40 times.
Yes, mount the risers first, then we'll put the wing on the risers. But I think we should put these on loose, like hand tighten. So there's a little room to, if we need to bend this a little bit, to mount it to the wing.
Yeah, then it's not solid mount. You're not kinking the trunk lid when if you have to kind of.
Have to finagle it. Finesse. Fugazi.
Bugatti.
We're taking a just for fun break and test fitting the wing on Jake's car.
Do you see what I see?
I mean... No, it does not work.
Millennium
let's-
J's on the.
Let's try the Chaser though. Or the Mark II. This poor car.
You said you don't care about the scratches on this one, right?
I mean, just because I drifted doesn't mean I don't care, brother. No, does not the vibe. E-bike? No.
What do you think?
Perfect. Actually,
What about on me?
next video, e-bike gets big wang. All right, try the Chaser.
I am so cooked if I drop it.
No, it looks terrible. Honestly, it needs a drag wing. All right, let's take it inside. Come on. I love it. We were saying earlier actually that like the logo kind of looks like it's floating. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but just like the paint on top of the carbon gel just kind of looks like it's floating. Baby key. Yeah. Fun fact, this is the dog behind the merch designs. She's why we put Dobermans on merch. And we might do a little blue dog merch too, a little hound dog. end plates, winglets. First look though. Bro, I like it.
It's really cool. And the shape of it with the shape of the cars.
Yeah, it like works with the rear bumper.
Well, no, like the hump, like almost follows like the cab from here.
Oh yeah, I see what you're
Or
saying
like the
actually.
back window.
Yeah. Dude, this wing is sick.
Big fan.
I actually have different end plates we could like just
Ooh,
look at.
get them out.
Alright. Project complete, fully mounted up, nice and taut. Pretty happy with it.
Let's go, baby.
Pretty happy with it. It's kind of scary actually drilling those holes. You had to be exact, but we got her. I want to swap out the hardware eventually, but works for now. We'll give her a little rip. See if she has more downforce. I bet purists are just like punching air right now, but this is purely for style for the boy. Oh yeah. I want to look at it from the front. That is a wrap on the video. Thank you guys so much. That was a fun one. Intricate, but we knocked it out. No errors. We don't have to patch a hole, a metal. But I did, one last thing, I added these headlights, which there's a Vaded Mob logo engraved. So we're pretty happy about that. And yeah, the front arrow, the rear arrow now. Side spats. We're stoked on it. It's fun to switch things up. I was really happy with the RX7, kind of in my like done category, but I always try to switch it up, do new things. I really want to do a big brake kit. But the wing's done. It looks dope. Jake, what do you think?
I dig it. I followed you to Cars and Coffee this morning, and it sounds rowdy, it looks rowdy, but the wing adds like another point of aggression to it. I dig it. I dig it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so different. It's such a big switch up. I wish the other wing fit. Or the garnish, I should say. But I'm happy. It looks good. We just need to polish a little bit more here, but just right here on the center light, I kind of want to replace this with like a bigger LED one, but we'll get there. But yeah, thank you guys again. Peace. See you soon.